How to use reverse psychology to make a man think about you nonstop. Have you ever found yourself captivated by someone who seemed just out of reach? That person who, no matter what they do, stays on your mind. What if I told you there's a psychological trick to making someone think about you nonstop? Welcome back to our channel, Higher Personality. Today, we're diving deep into the intriguing world of psychology and relationships. Ever heard of reverse psychology? It's a term we often throw around, but do we really understand its power? At its core, reverse psychology is the art of encouraging a specific behavior in someone when what you truly desire from them is the opposite. Think of it like this. You tell someone not to do something, fully expecting them to do it anyway. Sounds simple, right? But the implications in the realm of relationships are profound. Imagine planting a seed in someone's mind that continuously blooms, making them think about you even when you're not around. For instance, remember when you were a child and your parents told you not to touch the cookie jar? That irresistible urge to grab a cookie grew even stronger, didn't it? That's reverse psychology in action. Today we're going to delve into this fascinating technique, exploring its nuances, its ethics, and most importantly, how you can use it to make a man think about you nonstop. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets of reverse psychology and its impact on romantic relationships. Number 1. Understanding reverse psychology. What is reverse psychology? Reverse psychology is a psychological strategy where one encourages a person to do something by suggesting they do the opposite. Instead of directly asking or instructing someone to perform a particular action, you present them with a reverse directive, anticipating that their natural inclination will lead them to act contrary to the suggestion. It's a subtle and indirect way of influencing behavior, often used to achieve desired outcomes without appearing too pushy or controlling. The concept of reverse psychology has been observed and utilized in various cultures and contexts throughout history, although it might not always have been labeled as such. One notable historical figure often associated with this strategy is the 19th century American writer and humorist Mark Twain. He once said, "The best way to cheer yourself up is to try to cheer somebody else up." This sentiment, while not a direct explanation of reverse psychology, captures the essence of influencing someone indirectly to achieve a desired emotional outcome. In more recent times, the term reverse psychology has become a recognized psychological concept, often discussed in the context of parenting, advertising, and of course, relationships. It has been studied and dissected by psychologists and behaviorists alike, shedding light on its effectiveness and ethical implications. Let's delve into some real-life scenarios where reverse psychology has been successfully employed. Relationships. Consider a situation where one partner feels smothered by constant attention from the other. Instead of directly asking for space, they might say, "You seem so busy these days. Maybe we should spend some time apart." This can make the other partner realize the importance of giving space, leading to a healthier balance in the relationship. These examples illustrate the versatility and effectiveness of reverse psychology in influencing behavior and achieving desired outcomes. However, it's crucial to use this strategy ethically and responsibly, ensuring that it promotes understanding and mutual respect rather than manipulation. Number 2. The role of reverse psychology in relationships. The power dynamics. Relationships inherently involve a dynamic of influence. Partners constantly navigate and negotiate their needs, desires, and boundaries. Reverse psychology, when employed consciously, can subtly shift these power dynamics. By suggesting the opposite of what you desire, you can lead your partner to believe they are making the decision independently, thereby making them more receptive to your desires. Manipulation or genuine strategy. While reverse psychology can be a potent relationship tool, it's essential to differentiate between using it as a genuine strategy and resorting to manipulation. Ethical concerns arise when one uses reverse psychology to deceive or control their partner for personal gain. A healthy relationship thrives on open communication, trust, and mutual respect. Thus, Reverse psychology should be used transparently and responsibly, aiming to enhance understanding and connection rather than manipulating emotions or actions. Number 3. Applying reverse psychology to make him think about you. Tips number 1. Show indifference, but not too much. Showing a hint of indifference can be a powerful way to pique his interest. When you appear less available or less invested than before, it can create a sense of mystery and challenge. However, it's crucial to strike a balance. Showing too much indifference can backfire, making him feel neglected or unimportant. The key is to maintain a delicate balance between showing interest and playing hard to get, keeping him intrigued without pushing him away. Tips number 2. Compliment others around him. Boosting his ego indirectly can make him desire your attention and compliments even more. When you acknowledge and appreciate others around him, it can subtly highlight his unique qualities and make him realize your value. However, it's essential to be genuine in your compliments and avoid overdoing it, as insincerity can be easily detected and may lead to trust issues. Tips number 3. Set boundaries and stick to them. Creating a sense of challenge and mystery through boundaries can make you more attractive in his eyes. When you establish clear boundaries and stick to them, it shows self-respect and confidence, qualities that are often perceived as attractive. It also creates a healthy dynamic where both partners respect each other's needs and limitations, fostering mutual understanding and connection. Tips number 4. Use the 2 steps forward, 1 step back approach. This approach involves pulling him closer with affection and attention, and then giving him space to miss you. By alternating between closeness and distance, you keep him guessing and interested, maintaining a dynamic and engaging relationship. However, it's essential to be mindful of his feelings and ensure that this approach does not create unnecessary confusion or insecurity. Number 4. Pros and cons of using reverse psychology. Advantages: building attraction and keeping him interested. Reverse psychology can create a sense of mystery, challenge, and desire, making him more attentive and invested in the relationship, enhancing communication and understanding. By encouraging open dialogue and mutual respect, reverse psychology can foster a deeper understanding and connection between partners. Disadvantages: the risk of misinterpretation or hurt feelings. If not used carefully, reverse psychology can lead to misunderstandings, hurt feelings, and unnecessary conflict in the relationship. Potential for manipulation and unethical behavior. Using reverse psychology to deceive or control your partner for personal gain can lead to trust issues and damage the foundation of the relationship. In conclusion, while reverse psychology can be a powerful tool in relationships, it should be used ethically and responsibly with a focus on mutual respect, understanding, and genuine connection. By employing these strategies with care and consideration, you can enhance the dynamics of your relationship and create a lasting bond built on trust and mutual admiration. To quickly recap, today we've explored 4 secret tips on how to use reverse psychology to make a man think about you nonstop. We've discussed the subtle art of showing indifference, complimenting others around him, setting boundaries, and the 2 steps forward, 1 step back approach. Throughout these strategies, the importance of balance and authenticity has been a recurring theme, reminding us that genuine connection and mutual respect are the cornerstones of a healthy relationship. As we wrap up, it's essential to remember that while reverse psychology can be a fascinating and effective tool in relationships, it should be used responsibly. Manipulation has no place in a loving relationship. Instead, prioritize open communication, honesty, and mutual understanding. Aim to foster a genuine connection where both partners feel valued, respected, and loved for who they truly are. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried using reverse psychology in your relationships? What were the results? Share your experiences, thoughts, and questions in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, Higher Personality, for more relationship tips, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Before you go, make sure to check out some of our related videos for more insights into the fascinating world of relationships. You can also follow us on our social media handles and visit our website for additional resources and updates. Thank you so much for watching. Your support means the world to us, and we look forward to seeing you again in our next video. Until next time, take care and stay connected.